If you're trying to streamline internal communication using HR software, this quick 3-minute guide is going to save you hours of confusion and inefficiency. Most businesses struggle with scattered chats, missed updates, and endless email chains. But after testing the most popular HR platforms out there, I found exactly what works and what doesn't. Stick around, because I'll show you how to cut the noise and set up a communication flow that just works. Plus, I've got an exclusive free trial link to my top recommended HR software, only available to viewers of this channel, linked below if you want to follow along step by step. Let's get right into it. First, the goal is clarity and consistency. The best HR software lets you centralize all your communication in one place. Start by enabling announcement channels for top-down updates, like company news, policy changes, or deadlines. These should be admin-only posts, so nothing gets buried in back-and-forth replies. Next, create dedicated spaces for different teams. Marketing, sales, HR, everyone needs their own communication hub within the software. This prevents cross-team noise and lets people focus on what matters to their role. Now, integrate your calendar and task management tools. Most modern HR platforms let you sync meetings, deadlines, and performance reviews directly into shared dashboards. This keeps everyone aligned without having to constantly chase updates. Use automation features to trigger reminders, like weekly check-ins, onboarding tasks, or upcoming evaluations. Automation reduces manual follow-ups and helps keep communication consistent, especially with remote teams. Don't ignore direct messaging, but keep it purpose-driven. Encourage your team to use chat for quick decisions or one-on-one check-ins. For anything that impacts the team, push it to the main communication threads. This keeps everything transparent and easy to track later. Another underrated feature, employee feedback tools. Set up anonymous suggestion boxes or quick pulse surveys. Not only does this improve communication flow upwards, it also shows your team their voice matters, without adding clutter to group threads. Finally, set usage expectations. The best HR software won't help unless everyone uses it the same way. Set simple rules. What goes where, what's urgent, what's FYI, and stick to them. A short 10-minute training at the start is usually all it takes to get your team on board. So what's the key takeaway? Streamlining internal communication using HR software isn't about using more tools. It's about using one the right way. Structure, consistency, and automation are what transform communication from chaos to clarity. Quick recap: centralize announcements, organize team channels, sync your calendar and tasks, automate reminders, keep chat focused, collect feedback, and set clear expectations. That's it. If you want to follow along or test it out yourself, I've linked an exclusive free trial for my top recommended HR platform below. It's only available to viewers of my channel, so grab it while it's still up. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.